Okay, Katie, how did we end up at Blockbuster? We went to this party and
Everything else was fucking closed. Except for Cold Stone. I can't eat that because I'm fat.
because we're on a fucking diet. You know how angry diets make us?
Blockbuster's not over right now. I'm gonna fucking rip someone's head off.
I'm gonna rip your fucking
Do you think
head
we can
off.
get a froyo?
No, seriously, I'm in such a pissy mood because of this fucking diet that I'm on. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you hard.
Turn it off, I'm done. Oh, that's okay though. If you want to do that. We can do that later, but let's go to Blockbuster
I can't believe
first.
we ended up at Blockbuster. Starbucks was closed, Gelson's was closed, so we couldn't see the cute bag boy. Then some
Dude, does he have a Facebook?
weird ghettos. I don't know how to find Tim on Facebook because we only know his first name. What am I going to type in? Tim from Gelson's?
Tim Bagboy.
Tim Bagboy. Yeah, I think that's what he'll be under. Oh! Give me some ice cream. Give
You
it.
heard the woman?
Give it to me. Give it.
Uh.
Oh, God, do it again. Fuck you, Blockbuster. If you're closed, I will sue you.
Yeah. Peace out.
I'm gonna turn into the Hulk.